Hi, I'm Jennifer from EcoWool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transplant your plants from out of pots into your garden using wool pellets. So what I have here is I have my plant, I have my pellets, and I have my hole. So I've dug my hole for my plant, the appropriate size. I'm gonna grab a couple of handful of pellets because my plant here is actually quite large. It's a very healthy mid-season strawberry plant. I've already kind of taken out most of the soil to let the roots breathe. I'm gonna break the roots apart a little bit more. I'm gonna place the plant over top of the wool pellets. And now I'm gonna hill up my strawberry plant like regular planting. Now, I still have some wool pellets left. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna use the wool pellets as a mulch. Because wool, because of the scales on the wool, it's actually not very attractive to slugs and it tends to deter them quite well from eating your plants. Having wool pellets around the plant also helps retain moisture and is a great weed barrier. So I'm just piling them up around. So you can't see the soil. I'm not putting it right up against the plant stems because we don't necessarily want the water to stay there, but we just want to be able to wring it enough that we haven't got it crowding the plant, but it will protect the plant. When it rains or when I water this, all of these pellets will they will swell, they will form a skin, and they will stay here. They will stay here quite readily, and it will be a really good solid mulch that won't be blown away, and it'll be very hard for weeds to grow through it. So there you go. There's wool pellets in the garden.